Hello everyone, and today we got something super special. Well, more special than usual. We got ourselves a brand new in-box Samsung VCR. It's a VT-311TA video cassette recorder. I got it from my neighbor for free. He was cleaning out some stuff because he's moving, and he knows I like this kind of stuff, so he gave it to me. It was sitting in his garage on a high shelf or whatever for, I assume, its whole life. It looks like it's brand new, never been opened. It's got the metal staples still on it, and if you peek in here you can see some of the foam. And today I think the best decision is to open it up and take a look at it, see if it works, see what it comes with, all that interesting stuff. So let's get into it. Alright, let's start snipping some clips. Alright, we got all the staples out of the box. So now let's open it up and see what this thing looks like. Alright, top's folded open. First, nice foam. Get ourselves nice, really nice user's manual appears. I'll just take a look at that in a minute. We also got ourselves cables. What else do we got here? Got a small box on the side here. There you go. There you go. Brand new remote. Wow. It's like a modern remote, but it doesn't have all the Disney buttons on it. There's inside here. Now for the main attraction. Let's get this guy out. Alright, had troubles getting it out of the box on video, but I can open up this part now. Now we got the main unit. Alright, got all the big. Last but not least, we got a little bit of tape here. Don't too much. And our first look at this beautiful unit. And wow, it looks really nice. Well, it's brand new. It's never been touched. Seems like it's nothing super fancy in terms of models wise, but anyone that's brand new is cool. It's even still got a little tool in here for adjusting your channels where you set everything. Wow. Even as someone who fixes and works on VCRs every once in a while, it's never have seen like a VCR like this that's just brand new or whatever, because they all have issues. Even includes some yummy packets to snack on later when I'm watching my tapes. And no scratches. Not a one. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go to the back quick. Alright, we got the back here. Wrapped up cord. Looks like we got two terminals for speaker outs. Oh wait, never mind. It's not speaker out. This is for UHF. Never seen it look like that before. Little clips. Now you got your 75 ohm adapters. Something. Switch for channel 2 and 3. This is a mono unit. Again, it doesn't seem like it's a super fancy high-end unit. Pretty sure it's from 86, as that's all I was able to find on the internet and whatever for it. So let's plug it in and see what happens. We're going to apply power in 3, 2, 1. It looks like we got action. Some noises of some sort. I'm not sure what the ERR is supposed to mean, if it's an error. Seems like it is refusing to turn on. Well, that's most likely because of bad capacitors, which I'm sure this thing has, as it hasn't had power in a very long time. Well, that kind of sucks, but I don't mind. I'm glad that, I'm almost kind of glad because it gives me an excuse to take it apart, mess with it, take out the screws. Nice, there we go. And to begin with, wow. Looks like quite the VCR inside. Only VCR I've seen that had this many parts in it was the one I did a video on before I had that Magnavox unit. But by like the 90s units or 2000 units I tend to mess with, tend to be pretty simple at that point in time. But even like, look at this, it even gives you little lines for all the traces and stuff, which is really cool. Got your head unit. Nice thing is I don't have to clean any of this because, well, I think you figured out that's already probably clean. Big old Toshiba IC here. That's cool. And here's probably, most likely, where our fault is. It's most likely one of these capacitors, as the fact that it does kind of get power, so that's why I presume that's going to be the fault. But I shall start messing with it and I shall come back once I find something. Alright, I am back, and all I did was decided, oh, I'm going to start messing with it or whatever, and I didn't see any bulge caps, so I unplugged it, whatever, plugged it back in, hit the power, and now it's on. I don't know if these lights are supposed to be that dim, or if it's just the fact the power supply isn't outputting as much as it should. But it seems to be trying something here. So let's throw in a tape quick, see if it starts playing. Alright, let's throw a tape in here carefully. So it's taking the tape. That's a good sign. Means at least some of the belts or something's okay. Let's press play. Ooh, that's not good. So it appears the headroom is frozen. That sucks. Let's see if I can move it. Oh, just a little bit. Might have to get some sort of lubricant inside. I'll have to look into that. Alright, I had gotten some cleaner inside the mechanism there. So let's see if it'll play now. Probably a good idea to turn it on. Nice. I'm sure the head's still a little bit sloppy, as it is just frozen or whatever. But it seems to be playing it. I'll have to get my little test TV and see what's being output to the screen. Alright, got my little TV here. Fire it up. It's been a little bit since I used it, as I haven't needed it too much. There you go. Now let's VCR's on. Let's press play. Well then, that's not so great. Looks exactly what it looks like in the picture or whatever on the TV. Let's take a look at the tracking and see if that's what we need to adjust. And turn up the volume here, see if we got sound. Is it possible it's on the wrong channel here? Oh, there we go. Nice. Well, alright, let's throw in a tape that I like and is appropriate, because apparently the other one isn't. Both inappropriate, and I don't care for the movie, that's all I use as a test tape. Gonna mute that. But yeah, we got sound. Picture's really clean. And it looks really good. That's cool. Not sure exactly what to say, as this was a different video than I planned to make. Actually had a pretty cool one planned, but I guess this will become this week's video, and it'll become another week's video. Again, not sure what else to say. It's working. It's really cool. I'll probably watch a full movie on here to make sure it stays working or whatever, and I'll probably end up putting it back in its box, because it's just so cool, the fact that it has it and stuff. Because I already got plenty of other VHS or VCRs to use from. Yeah, just a little bit of a locked up head that just needed a little bit of cleaning, and well, at first it seemed like it was pretty dead. I'll probably have to rechange the caps or change them out or whatever if I want to use it full time or whatever. And I don't really want to finger the remote because it's still got the nice coating on it and stuff. Yeah, very interesting, very unique find. I'm sure these don't show up very often, especially units of this age. But it didn't deserve to sit in the box forever, and this seems like it was a pretty good day, I guess, for it. So it gets to finally be used. Here we got the owner's manual. To get best results, read the instructions. My phone refuses to focus. There you go. And wow, it's really cool to see. Take good care of your new VCR. They sure did. They never even opened it up. Got all the buttons and instructions how to operate it. I'll slowly go through this for people who have, let's say, this unit or something, or are interested in it, or any of that stuff. Oh, this is quite the lengthy manual. How to change your channel indicators in it. You can move the little channel thing and put whatever numbers you want. All the features of it. It's got built-in tape counter, stuff such as that. How to record while you're away. Over the air recording, wireless remote. Wow. You know, quality of these manuals is just fantastic. There's more color in this than most new manuals. Next we got this page here. Simplified instructions for recording. Shows you how to set the time, the date, all that stuff. Wow, this is beautiful. I should really take a copy of this. Got a few more pamphlets here. Samsung warranty registration. video review. Get more of your new Samsung VCR with a free gift. Free gift from radio or video review. That's pretty interesting. Remember, they don't have phone numbers. Then we got the bottom here, which I'm not going to pull out, are all the little pieces that you put in there to set for your channels or whatever, which is really cool that they have that.
We can fix you again. Now get in the box. Never.
No one will know that was ever opened. Forgot to put the stacks back in.